Hey guys, welcome back or to the channel. Thank you for coming. If you haven't already subscribed, please smash that red button. And if you like what you see, give us a thumbs up.
Don't forget to subscribe.
As Marcy says, don't forget to subscribe, guys. What are we doing today? You know what, there's been some people that say, hey, I've got some vinyl stickers. I've got some vinyl to put on my car, just regular stickers. How do I do it? Whatever I've done is wrong. And I just finished doing this bear. Awesome bear. That is great. So what we're going to do real quick, real easy, I'm going to show you 2 ways to put on vinyl on your car. Marcy wants the island on her car, and our son had a little baby. We're going to put this on her car as well. So this one already has clear vinyl on it. This one does not. So I'm going to show you, if your vinyl, your clear transfer paper comes off, or you somehow find one that doesn't have the clear transfer paper, what do you do? How do you put it on? This is what you do. Grab some cheap painter's tape at the dollar store, real easy. Just go ahead, grab that tape, rip it off, and just line it up. Just like that. You don't need to get all fancy. Line it up. Push in the middle, pull out.
Make sure you overlap.
Make sure you overlap like Marcy said. And then at the top, line it up. There you go. All you're going to do is peel it off the bottom. Grab your scissors. Boom. Boom. That is now ready to go on a car, guys. That is ready. Let's head over to the car and see how we can put these puppies on. Okay, so here's what you're going to do. You're going to take your vinyl decal or your sticker or whatever you plan to use. But a lot of people say, if I want this lined up, how am I going to get it straight? How am I going to know exactly where it goes? It is a little cold out here, guys. It's cold. Make sure your window's all nice and clean. Here's what you do. Grab a piece of painter's tape, put it along the top of the decal. This way, if you're going to line it up, you'll know exactly where you want it before you start taking off the transfer paper or the backing of the paper. So on Marcy's car, she wants this actually on a bit of an angle. Even though the caution is written this way, she wants it at a bit of an angle. So it can either go on this angle and go on this angle. But before you decide exactly where you want it, you just put that tape down there. You haven't wrecked the decal or anything like that, or the sticker or whatever you're planning to put on. So for this particular thing, we're going to actually put it on an angle like this. And I'm going to see if I actually like it. And I kind of like it just like that. You may like it differently. So when you're wondering now, how am I going to actually do this? What you're going to do is you're going to slowly peel off the transfer paper from the backing while it's still taped to the car or truck or RV or whatever you're going to stick it to. As you see, everything is now stuck to the backing. This is your paper. You just take this. Now what you're going to do is grab a credit card, a debit card, whatever you have, and just slowly push it down from the middle right down there. And then go from the outside and push it down. Or from the center, pardon me. And same thing this way. Just push it down. Make sure you get it nice and down there, nice and tight. Right? You're not going to hurt it. Give it a little bit of pressure. It's not going to hurt it. Take your fingers if you want. Now this window's a little cold. Normally you want the window to be warmer than this. If you can warm it up, blow on it. No, blowing on it isn't going to do anything. It just was fun to do. Right? So then go ahead, take off your tape. And because it's painter's tape, it's going to come off very easily. You don't have to worry about it leaving a film on there because you're doing it right away. Put your credit card or your debit card away in your pocket, because if I'm around, I might just take it. You never know. Now to slowly peel up the transfer paper from the edge and pull it exactly flush against the window. So you're not pulling it up, because you pull it up, you're going to pull that decal. Pull it flush against the window, just like this. Just slide it nice and slow. As you see the decal staying on the window there. So just slide it nice and slow. And it leaves everything on there. Right? So as you see, boom, it's done. There's another way, a quicker way, and I'm going to show you because we did the one with tape on it. Hold on one sec. I think I got to get a different car or something. How many cars do we have? Okay guys, here's your other option. The other option is if you somehow end up with a decal or a sticker that does not have transfer tape or transfer paper already put on it, like I said, you can use cheap painter's tape because you're going to be putting it on right away. If you leave it too long, it's going to leave a film. Same type of idea. The only difference is I know roughly where this is going to go. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to peel it off the backing just like so. Get rid of this. We don't need this. And then I'm just going to line it up. So she wants it roughly up there. Put it up. Use your debit card, your credit card, like I said. Don't leave it laying around because you never know who's going to take it. Just put it on there just like that. You do want your glass to be, you know, room temperature or warm if better. If not, heat it up with a hairdryer a little bit or something if you're doing this in the cold. And then go ahead and just slowly, the same type of thing, remove the painter's tape, just like we did the transfer paper. On a nice sharp angle, don't go ahead and lift it straight up. It is going to pull your decal up. So you don't need to be super careful, but there you go. There is Princess, wait a minute, Princess, how do you spell princess? 2 S's at the end. So that is the downfall of using painter's tape if you get a decal that does not have transfer paper on it. Sometimes a letter, if you're being it fast like me and not paying attention, you might get a letter sticking to the paper or to the painter's tape. If I would have taken my time, the window wasn't so cold, it probably would have stuck properly. But saying that, if you are in a bind, you can use painter's tape to put that on there. Transfer paper is ideal, or transfer tape is ideal, but you know what? Not everybody has that. If you've lost your transfer paper or whatever it may be, you got to do what you got to do. Just be careful taking it off and don't rush like I did. I'm going to have to redo this, even though it's for family. Do you think I should redo it? Nah, I got to redo it. Look, what can I say? Hey, wait a sec. Hey, come with me. See how easy it is, guys? It does not take much time at all. Super quick, super easy. If you want it lined up, if you've got transfer paper, don't have transfer paper, boom, Bob's your uncle. Get her done. Guys, if
Great way to personalize your car.
It's a great way to personalize your car. You know what? Guys, if you like videos like this, I know it's a little bit out of the ordinary from what we normally post on Camping with Clammy, but I had a lot of questions. Please smash that thumbs up. As Marcy always says,
don't forget to subscribe.
Don't forget to subscribe and ding that notification bell so you'll be notified the next time we put out a video. Keep smiling, guys. Enjoy your decals and your stickers. We'll see you in the next video.